Hey y'all, El Che here. Welcome back to Che's Forge. Being that tech guy, I spend a lot of time in office chairs. Today I'll be showing you guys some office chair upgrades you should do before they cause you any problems.
Too late.
Casters. A broken wheelbase? No broken gas cylinder, right? Good. That'll be for a different video altogether. There you have it, guys. What we'll be doing today, I'll be showing you guys 2 office upgrades, repairs that will greatly improve your performance and longevity. Let's go. Seriously, I was gonna make this video as an upgrade to prevent these kind of things from happening, but sure enough, in the time I was traveling, Dad's office chair wheels or casters broke and Sis leaned a little too far back and heard a crack on hers. Casters like these are my least favorite. They're mostly made out of plastic, have multiple parts, any of which could break, and also have this spot right here where, as you can see, string, carpet, or hair can get stuck in between. I'll be replacing them with these Sedox Professional office chair casters. These are rollerblade style. I never rollerbladed, but I did roller skate. I'm not sponsored by them. I did buy them for $33, but I do have an Amazon affiliated link below if you need some. The wheel is one solid piece. The part that holds it together is made out of metal, and they're rated to hold 650 pounds max, and that's all the wheels together. The wheels are taller at 3 inches as opposed to 2 inches on this one and 2.5 inches on this one. The taller wheel makes for a smoother rotation and movement. This office chair has a metal base which should be sturdy enough not to break, unlike this base. The chair here had a plastic base and better casters, making the base the weaker part of the chair. We're replacing it with this one from Amazon. It's about $30, which is rated for about 330 pounds and has much more sturdy build to it. I actually had this one already as I was gonna fix someone's gaming chair, and they decided to go in a different direction. This would be a good swap as all the casters are in good condition, just need a little bit of a cleaning, and the casters at 2.5 are better than the 2 inches on Pops, even though I still recommend for Sis to replace them with better ones in the future. I recommend safety first, always. If your casters are still on, you can normally pull them right off. If they're really in there, you can use a screwdriver like so. To pull them right out. Once all 5 are out, just do a quick check to make sure there are no cracks on the caster hold. You should be able to push them back in. If they're a little tough to push in, you can use a rubber mallet or a regular hammer to push them in. Hit the base of the casters like so to help them push in. Sometimes some WD-40 can help. A little bit goes a long way. Repeat for the remaining 4. Turn it over and take your first spin. Make sure you smash the like button so that this video can help others get back on their chairs. Much like the first chair, we must remove all the casters. If the base is still attached, you can sometimes pull it right off. If it's a little tough, you can use a hammer. Like before, I'd recommend a rag or something if you don't have a rubber hammer. Once off, you can slip the new base on. Most are universal sized, but you can always double check before purchasing. Flip it over and sit on it. It should lock into place. Be mindful, there might be an adjustment move it might make. There we have it all. 2 upgrades I recommend to do on most office chairs, as those are the most common things to go bad on them. That and the gas cylinder. Luckily that hasn't happened on any of these 2, but I'm sure I'll have to show you that repair pretty soon.
Real soon.
Make sure you subscribe to see more helpful videos like this one, where I show you how to make your PC feel faster for free, or this one here, where I do some reviews. Like always, stay healthy, stay safe. Elche out. Honestly, I wasn't gonna make a fix video for these. It's crazy how they happen to break right when I'm making a video for something else. This work never ends.